Hello everyone, welcome back to Tonghack's channel. So today I would like to share another tutorials from Capcut application. Today's tutorial is gonna be how to remove background in Capcut by iOS. So here I already have the videos that I want to remove the backgrounds, and don't ever forget to click the videos first until it becomes in active mode. So on the below options you can see that there are a lot of options. Just scroll it into the left side until you found cutout option. So just click the cutout, and there are 3 more options. Now just need to click the remove background and just wait until it 100% applied. Now the background is 100% removed from your video. Let's have a try. Yep, that's all for today's tutorials. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and also like this video. Thank you for watching, and see you on the other tutorial.